welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an apartment tour video. I did a room tour video a couple months ago and I said that I would do an apartment tour closer to when school is ending. I really wanted my room tour up early. So here I am doing this video. As you guys are about to see when I show you my apartment, I do a voiceover because all my roommates were home and I felt really weird talking while they were there to a camera, which is what I'm doing now, but it's in my room, so I'm safe. So yeah, but once I get into my actual room and tell you what's changed, which really nothing, I start talking again. But yeah, I'm just gonna give some information about my dorm room for anyone who's planning on coming to Columbia. The dorm room I'm in, if you know much about the school or whatever, the dorm room I'm in is, I'm not going to say the name just for a reason, so if you do know the name, please don't comment it down below. But this one's a 20 up, so like upperclassmen kind of, so you have to be going to be 20 in the fall semester when you apply, or when you are applying for housing, unless you're a transfer. I'm not sure about that. But yeah, it's a super cool apartment. I have my own room. You'll see, but it's really cool. It has a sky roof, which is awesome. And I don't know if I'll insert that. I'll insert some pictures maybe, but it's still a really cool place. And so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions about housing or anything like that, leave them down below. I'll also link below my past 2 dorm room tours because they're really popular on my channel, so I'll link them down below. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so the first thing that you see when you come into my dorm room is this little room kind of thing. You kind of turn around for you. That's the door. You have a side to lock the door because you have to lock the door. And yeah, so the first thing you see is this closet that has the washer and dryer, which is the best thing about this apartment. And also we have our little grocery carts as well as cleaning products. We don't really have a closet or anything, so this little section works. And yeah, it's a mess down there, so I'm not really going to show you anymore. Alright, so when you go to the right, you have this long hallway that I darkened down for you that goes you all the way to the living room. It's just a giant hallway. That is where the kitchen is. And yeah, I don't know why I zoomed in there, but you start moving in. This is kind of what the kitchen looks like. A little overview. We have an island. It's cool. This is our fridge. I darken it up and then brighten it up, but I show you that we have this cute little magnet of the Willis Tower, and it has eyes on it, and it's so precious. But yeah, this side we have a sink, which I cleaned out for you guys, a toaster, a dishwasher, oven, stove, microwave. That toaster is actually mine. And then on the side we have the island. There's some bar stools, and it's just an island. I walk over here to turn on the lights because they're amazing, and I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so come around to the other side to show you the other side of the kitchen, and also in the area where the lights were my 2 other roommates' room and their bathroom. And I show you that this is kind of my section. I have this cabinet, which I thought people could see, but I was wrong. And then I have the lower section. Here I just show you some of my bottles that I have collected.
yeah, they're just, you know, bottles and things. They looked cool there. That is my door to my bedroom. And then over to the left of my bedroom is another hallway, which takes you to me and my roommate's bathroom. And it's literally just a bathroom, and I show you more than I should. But yeah, there's a shower, you know, towel racks, a toilet, this sink that is so dirty, and there I am posing. Now onto the living room, which I honestly think is the best part of this apartment. It is this giant circle living room with 4 giant windows. It is amazing during the day and at night. And yeah, so on this side is the TV. So we have a record player, my Wii with some of my movies, even though you can't watch movies on a Wii, some records, and then a map of the world. It's nice TV. And then this is all my roommate's stuff. Her guitar, a Lana Del Rey poster, and then we have the lights going all the way around, which I'll show you a video at night. It's so cool. Alright, so we just have this giant couch, a coffee table, more records on the wall, this chair that's mine, a guitar, and then I turn around so you guys can see what it looks like if you're the windows. Yeah, and then I show you what it looks like outside. It's really overexposed, but I darken it down for you guys. It's super cool. It was a really gloomy day that day, but yeah, I think this is probably the best view that you can get from this apartment. So, yeah. And then I just open up my door to show you guys that this is indeed my bedroom. So I'm back to talking, but this is my room. You guys have seen this video, and if you haven't, I'll link it down below. But into a more detailed video about like what's in my room. But the new things, if you've seen it, this probably changed just a little bit. I got some flowers. I put up this like little babe sign, and then I have this Yves Saint Laurent box up there. I put a lamp in my room just because it wasn't getting used outside. I have another stuffed animal. It's an avocado. I have these lights. And then I also have this 1975 poster that's right here. But pretty much nothing has changed.
So that was my apartment tour slash updated dorm tour. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and got any tips or whatever. I think I said this in this video, but if you have any comments or whatever, leave them down below and I'll try to answer them. But yeah, I'm gonna miss this dorm room. I say that literally in all of the videos, but this one by far was my favorite just because of how the apartment is set up, and I just like how I decorated it more. And the past 2 rooms, well, the one last year was, I lived on my own, so I liked it more than my freshman year, but it was still really small. And I have a full-size bed. I don't know what else to say. Goodbye. See you guys in my next video.